channel. Today we are going to be doing a fun little creation with some Lego, and I'm super excited because like with Lego you can just build anything you want. It could be super creative, and yeah, it's just super duper fun. I love building with Lego, and yeah, today I'm going to be teaching like how to make like a little beach scenery, and I'm super excited. Yeah, so I'm just going to be figuring out the steps while we go. Yeah, I'm super excited. Let's get started. Okay, so we're back. I'm super duper excited. So yeah, let's get building. But wait a second, where are all my Lego pieces? Oh yeah, they're supposed to be arrived by now because I ordered the Legos to come in the car. When is the car gonna come? Let's wait a few minutes. Okay, that's enough waiting. When is the car gonna come? Wait, what's that noise? The car's here. But where are all the Legos inside? I know how to fix this. Anyway, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that is so much better. We have all the things. So yeah, let's go over all the things that we're going to be needing. This is everything you're going to be needing. You can take a quick look and get everything. Okay, so I think that's enough time for you guys to get everything. I'm sorry if that was a little bit too quick. You can just pause the video and go get your things. So yeah. Okie dokie. So now that we have everything ready, well, first you're going to be needing your square blue Lego. And you want to just place that down, and then you want your other blue Lego, but like the rectangle one, and you want to just kind of place it how you want. So I'm just kind of figuring out how I want to place it. Okay, so this is how I'm going to place it. So like these together, like that. And then what you want to just leave it, don't really touch it that much. You want to get your this big rectangle, the peach rectangle, and you want to just put them together. So yeah. So I'm going to speed this up a little bit, and I'm going to see you in a few seconds. This is how I placed it. So like I'm going to show you guys really quickly, like break it apart. So first I put these two together like this. It should kind of look like you tried to put them together to make an L, but you want to leave this two little areas free. Then you would like to kind of just flip this around and then put it. And then say you want to just do that same. And then just attach those pieces together. So yeah, that's how I assembled it. Yes. How I did it was basically I put these two together first, and then I put these ones on the back, so it kind of created this shape. Then what you want to do is you want to take this little area and these two that you left open, then you want to just put that smoothly into place. Then you want to take these two and just put them together. And you want to take this little piece, move this to the side, and you want to just put these two together, because that helps put it together. And plus we're also going to be using it for something else too. So yeah, you want to put it on this place. So now you have the little beach area, and this the little pool. For this area right here, we're going to be using these two things, and we're going to stacking them up. You want to put them right at the center. Then you want to take this, and you want to just place it on top. I am so sorry. I accidentally dropped the camera. And just place it on top. So yeah. So we're making a diving board, as you see, and we're going to get this piece and then just kind of put it on there. So I will put it on, I'll do some decoration, and I'll see you in a piece. I built the thing, I put it together, and I even added little flowers here because I thought that would just be super cute. So my supplies are up there. Next, what you want to do is you want to just there. You want to take this little air stud kind of thing, and you want to take this white Lego piece, and you want to just easily attach that together. And now we're going to be making a little lemonade stand thing. So you want to take this piece where it has like a top and a side, and on this the side you want to add this little silver piece right there. Then you want to add this yellow piece on to here, like So you want to turn this to the side, and you want to make sure it's pointing on the side, and you want to put the lower side on here. And there you have it, a little lemonade machine. So it's just, now these are just little details, so you can just look at the details. So yeah. Little cup. Put the cup here. Actually, let's do something a little bit different. Yeah, that's better. Nah, wait. Because I'm just going to add a little bit cute little features, and I'm going to see you in a few seconds. Okay, dokie. So I've added... Sorry about my voice. I just have a little cough, so yeah. So I added some details. I added this little board right here. I added some coconut trees and some coconuts on them. So yeah, and I added this little flower area. So yeah, if you were really paying attention, then what is different with these flowers? I'll give you two options. Were the flower colors different, or are we missing a flower? Actually, three options. Or did we switch a flower? So yeah, guess what you think happened? On my next video, I will tell you. So yeah, stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell